today's video, I have a product review from a company named Nail Reserve. And friends, their polish is vegan. Nail Reserve reached out to me and they sent me 5 different colors. And I will show you in the video the different colors. And I did a review with this because I tried it for 3 days just to see how it would do. Friends, I love this polish. It is like going on like butter. And I will teach you some of the techniques I learned. I want to thank Nail Reserve for reaching out to me. So friends, if you're looking for a vegan nail polish, this is it. And I love it. So thank you so much. And my description box, there will be a discount. I thank you so much for watching this nail review. Friends, I am not a professional, but I have learned some techniques in doing gel polish. Now they also sent me the base coat and the top coat. And also to let you know they are cruelty free. This is a healthy nail polish and it really does last. You just got to be careful, mindful of how you apply it. Make sure you're applying thin layers, and you will need a nail light. Here are the different colors that I have. These are so beautiful, so it was so hard for me to really choose what color to start with. So what I end up doing when I was putting this on the trial review on how I would like it and how it will hold up, I put the different colors on my fingers. So I had a multicolor left hand for a little while there for a few days. And I'm telling you, all of these colors are so beautiful and rich. Just take your time. Make sure you take your time. Now they do give you some instructions on their website on how to use this polish. And I know if you try it, you will love it. Now these are the beautiful colors, and I just swatted on a napkin so you can see the beautiful colors. So tell me, what color would you have chose? Now you will have to do a little maintenance to your nails. Here I am using a little bit of alcohol to pull the oil out of my nails, because with gel polish you want it to adhere to your nails, so you have to take the oil off of your nails. And also, when you do this, make sure that you're putting on your bottom coat first and using the nail light to cure it. And one thing about my nail light is a little smaller, so it took a little bit longer. I did a few 60 seconds and a 90 seconds because I wanted to make sure it's cured on. just remember each time you use it to shake up the bottle. And I did forget sometimes to shake the bottle up. But I did the multicolor style for right now, and each color is beautiful. You have the purple, pink, the dark green, and the mint green, and red. Now here is the third day after I let it stay on for a while and see how it worked. And I am now in my office, so I am going to show you some little techniques along the way. I am going to do a full hand of the red colors and still doing the same thing. Now, I do not like putting too much buff on my nails. I do buff them, but not too rough, because I don't like my nails to feel rough if I take the polish off. But just remember that with this gel polish, you will have to soak your nails with a gel polish remover. And sometimes I just put some spray in the bottle and spray it and it comes off. If not, I'll soak it. But through it all, it's pretty easy to come off. Friends, I learned to do this because when you go now to the nail salon to just get your nail polished with the gel polish, it used to be around $40. They don't go up to $50 in some places. I'm not sure about a lot of other places, but areas around here has really gone up. So I decided to start learning to do my feet and hands at home. So I will be doing my toenail with this color also. I love the gel polish because it helps my nails to grow. I didn't do it for 2 weeks, and I'm telling you, it really made a difference. My nails just love these gel polishes. And this is vegan and healthy. I know it's really going to grow. And I noticed my nails already growing from where some of them had broke off when I wasn't doing my nails. It's going to take a little time, but sometimes you can still go to the nail salon if you're going to pamper yourself. But most of all, you can do it at home. Friends, this is a little hack, the little tip I wanted to show you. Get some nail polish remover. So if you accidentally put nail polish outside of your nails and you put it on your skin, before you put it on the light, you can take a small makeup brush and dip it in the nail polish remover, and each time remove the excess polish on your nails. And that will help too. And that helps my nails, because when you have that over layer of polish there and you don't clean it up, it'll cause the polish to lift. But if you let it cure right and take your time, it will last. Gel polish can last up to 3 weeks if you do it right. So I hope y'all got something out of this on today. And just remember, there will be a code in my description box. I even look online today, and they are still yet having sales and deals. And they have a new color, more natural colors. So they got more colors than what I have. So if you don't like these colors, there's still more colors. Once again, I want to thank Nail Reserve, the company, for reaching out to me to try and review their product. I love it. And friends, I hope that you will give this a try. The code is 50% off. And please tell me what y'all think. And if you're new here today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for all of my faithful friends. Without y'all, it wouldn't be no me. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye bye from Penny.